Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two drones on the table that are perfect for beginners and kids. Let's dive into the features and find out which one is the best fit for you. In the left corner, we have the SOTAONE HS190, and in the right corner, we have the SOTAONE S400 drone. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the price. The SOTAONE HS190 comes in at an affordable price of $0, making it a budget-friendly option for those who are just getting started. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone is priced at $89, offering a few more premium features for a slightly higher cost. Now let's talk about the flight features. The SOTAONE HS190 is packed with some exciting features. It has a one-click takeoff landing function, making it extremely easy to control, especially for kids. It also has a 3D flips function, adding an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience. Additionally, it offers altitude hold and headless mode, ensuring a stable and carefree flight for beginners. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone comes with an HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial shots and enjoy live video transmission. It also offers 3D flips in 4 directions, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, making it a fun option for both kids and families. With its default altitude hold and one-key start-land button, it provides stable flight and easy control for beginners. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The SOTAONE HS190 features propellers isolated by a protection guard, ensuring the safety of kids from spinning propellers. It also has an emergency stop function, which immediately lands the drone, reducing the risk of damage or injury. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 drone comes with full protective guards, protecting both the drone itself and kids from collisions. Its mini foldable size makes it easy to carry around, ensuring safe and convenient practice or air shows. Portability is another important factor to consider. The SOTAONE HS190 is designed to be compact and foldable, fitting into the controller and taking up minimal space in your pocket or bag. This makes it a great option to bring along to parties, school, fishing trips, hiking, and even long journeys. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone is also foldable, making it easy to carry everywhere. Its mini size fits perfectly in your palm, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. The SOTAONE HS190 is highly praised for its easy-to-use controls, durability, and good value for its low price. It is recommended for indoor flight, learning, and performing flips. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone is considered a great entry-level option for beginners, providing an enjoyable flying experience and good value for money. It is recommended for indoor use and offers a stable hover. And there you have it, the comparison between the 𝓤𝓷𝓮𝓮 and the SOTAONE S400 drone. Both drones offer unique features and cater to different needs. The SOTAONE HS190 is an affordable option with easy control and safety features, perfect for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone offers an HD camera, advanced flight features, and additional fun options, making it a great choice for those looking for a more immersive flying experience. Remember, the best drone for you depends on your specific requirements and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for more episodes of Buy Smart.